Okay, I may not look like my regular self, but I'm still checking it out. Guys, look at me. All glowy and everything. What's up, guys? Welcome. As you may or may not know, I'm pregnant. I'm 35 weeks gone. And today, I'm going to organizing my little baby crib. I'm organizing her clothes into her crib, the wardrobe that comes with the crib. So let's do this together. As you can see, I'm just removing the board. After removing the board, then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting folding my clothes and putting them into the crib until you see into the wardrobe. This is actually the wardrobe that comes inside the crib. This is why I love this crib so much because it has everything packed like wardrobe, hotel, everything. Just watch this video till the end and you see the awesomeness of this crib. It's a perfect option, guys. If you ever want to buy a crib for your baby, just trust me, just go for this one because you will not regret it at all. Not only does it have so many options like every other thing, like you don't even have to go and start buying baby wardrobe. Okay guys, enough of the talking from me. Just watch it. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. I love you.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance.
In case you're wondering my organizing method, I organized her blanket separately and I wanted to do colors for the clothes, but I realized that the colors are not quite big and I don't want it to be messy. So I'm organizing it by sizes. I have the smaller ones, the bigger ones, and the other bigger ones. And I'm putting the one that she will wear once she's born right in front, and the one that she might not use then in the back that she will use later on in the back. That's the ones she will use a week after she's born and still in the front, and the other ones in the back. And look at her cute teddy bear. This is her baby net. This is her mosquito net to protect her from mosquito. It actually comes with the crib. If you buy the crib, they will give you the mosquito net as well. I'm done. So now I'm placing the board. This is actually the bed. it's so it's so light. I'm placing it right in. Just look at that. Just covers. Then I'm going ahead to put the bed. Remember, my baby is not due for like 5 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. Yes, I believe so. Now I'm just going to put everything together in this place and cover it with a big nylon because of dust. So now I'm going to go ahead and organize her body care. Am I saying that right? That is, I don't know. I'm just so forgetful these days. Maybe it's pregnancy. I mean, you can't win in everything, right? So this is the Johnson baby care. Inside here I have powder every other thing. You can watch my other vlog, my Nest With Me vlog, the part one, and I showed this well and her clothes. I showed everything well. Then I'm going to just remove it from the carton because that carton is not really giving me vibe.
Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I'm done packing. I'm just going to take this in and cover it with elastic. Here is overview of everything. Here is the door to the wardrobe. This is how my organizing is, guys. How lovely is it? I love it so
Locked
much.
in a place with a
This is
toolkit
how
for the
the
chase.
inside look
Told you how to
like,
run the
and
race. Every
the
move is on the
other door
page,
as well.
but
So
I
this
didn't
script
like
is
the red.
perfect, guys.
Had to
Thank you
fight
so
and
much for
misbehave.
watching. I'll
Had to
see
find a
you
way to
all in my
change.
next
I
one.
didn't